I'd like you to put down whatever you're doing right now and answer a question for me. Do you have any idea what emojis are? Emojis that are similar to this. But have you used them before in your message or comments? And did you know that you can make a lot of money every day by working online? It will be an extra $100 to $300 per day. And all you have to do is click on emojis to receive payments like these. And over $221 and maybe another $107 sent directly to your account. Here's how much money you can make. Clicking one emoji sticker will earn you $2. Clicking 10 emoji stickers will earn you $20. And clicking 50 emoji stickers will earn you $100. You can do this as many times as you want. You only need one thing to get started, which is your smartphone or computer. And you can do this for free. I'll show you how to register and activate your account in just a moment. And I'll guide you through a bunch of real-world examples so you can see precisely how to do it. And I'll give you a lot of bonus tips throughout the video on how to do it right and earn an extra $400. Before we go further to this video, welcome to the Everyday Money, where we will teach you the most up-to-date making money online ideas, tips, and tricks. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And lastly, don't forget to leave a comment down below. First and foremost, I would like you to visit this website, flaticon.com. This is a website where you may earn money by clicking on emojis. As you can see, the homepage offers free access to over 3 million vector icons, including a large number of emojis. When I go down below, you can see all of the icons as well as all of the pictures and images that we can download for free right here on this page. I'll show you how we can use them to generate a lot of money online in a moment. By simply clicking on the emojis, you can earn money in 2 ways. I'll show you the first method right now. Then I'll teach you the second method at the end of this video. For the first method, I want you to click on the Become a Contributor link at the top of the page. From there, you'll be sent to a page on Flaticon where you can become a contributor by simply uploading and sharing emojis on the site and get paid for it. Now, this is basically the 3 simple steps. Step 1 is to sign up for a free account, which I'll show you how to do in a minute. Step 2 is to share and upload your best icon packs, including emojis. And step 3 is our favorite part, which is that we can start getting paid and making money online right now. This is essentially how it works. Flaticon is a well-known website with over 12 million monthly visitors and over 7 million registered members. Many people visit this website in search of different emojis, clip art icons, and photos, and as a result, we may generate a lot of traffic and exposure for emojis, and you will be compensated for each view and click. Now, the first thing I want you to do is click this button right here to join right now. From there, you'll be sent to this website where you can create a free account. This website accepts transactions from people from all over the world. Simply enter your username, email address, and password on this page. Then click the register button. From there, we'll proceed to this page where it states, "We're almost done." Check your email inbox to confirm that your account has been activated and verified. They'll issue you their license right here after you activate your account, which will send you to this page. Make sure you read all of the terms and conditions before clicking the green button to accept the terms and conditions. As you can see, once you've completed step 1, which is reading and agreeing to the terms and conditions, you'll be able to move on to step 2, which is creating your profile so you can start earning money. The first thing you may do is add your profile images. To do so, simply click on the browse icon right here and then scroll down to provide more information about yourself. You can enter a public username that you'd like others to see. Simply click on the down arrow in the country section to select the country from where you are coming. From there, for the website, you can just leave it blank if you don't have one. You can choose English for the language, and you can link up any social media account you have for a professional portfolio and social media. But if you don't have any other social media accounts, just leave it blank and click the next button. Now we're almost ready to start uploading various emojis in order to get a large number of clicks and income. So before you do that, we recommend that you read the Creator's Handbook. You can click this button to access platform where we can read more guides, acquire more information, and get more instructions on how to start making money on this website. You could just go ahead and do it, but in this video, I'll teach you how to do it quickly. For the time being, all you have to do is click the Start Uploading button. Finally, that will take you to your own dashboard, which is located within your brand new account. When you click on the dashboard link, you will be sent to this page where you can locate your username at the top. You can check how many emojis and icon packs you've already uploaded on this page, as well as your daily earnings if you scroll down. As you can see, you can truly make money on this website for every click, download, and view you get. Before we go any deeper, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up if you've loved the video thus far. And if you found this video interesting and informative, please leave a comment down below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. It's now time to get back to work and earn some money. Moving ahead, we're trying to obtain a large number of free emojis that we can then publish to our website and earn from it. So right now, I want you to return to flatcon.com's homepage and go down to the very bottom of the page to this link, which is a pattern generator. From there, you'll be directed to this page where you may download Flaticcon's free software, which allows you to make various designs and patterns using various emojis. Right now, all you have to do is click on this button that says Try It Now. This will lead you to the Flaticon Pattern Generator software's homepage. Once again, this is a complete free service that you can use on your computer or on your mobile phone anywhere in the world. You may proceed to step 1, which is searching for and locating your preferred icon or emojis right now. Under the icon section, if you like this icon, you can just click on it and it will appear on the dashboard, as shown here. You can just drag and drop it to wherever you want it, as well as change its size and rotate it. As you can see, there are a lot of various icons and designs to select from. And one of my favorite things to do is to go to the Packs button and look at all of the different emojis and unique images that you can include in your design. So what I want to do right now is return to emojis and simply click on that, where you can select from a variety of emoji to use in your design. You may just repeat it as shown above. And finally, under this icon in the background, you can choose from a variety of background colors from your public design. For example, if you like a pink design, we can simply click on it and it would appear on your canvas. It is really simple and does not require any technical knowledge or experience. After you finish editing, you can save it to your phone or computer for free. All you have to do is click this button right here that says Download Now. Once you've decided on a PNG format, make sure you follow all the instructions in this video. For the power size, I'd want you to select 1000. And for the image sizes, I'd like you to select 4000 and 2000. Now that you've decided on the format, settings, and size, all you have to do is click on this button right here to download the patterns. You can do this on your phone once again. I could just click on that to open it up and see a preview once it had been downloaded successfully. After that, all I have to do is upload it and begin earning money. So right now, I'd like to share another bonus tip with you, which is to click on this search button right here and also click on Random Patterns button right here. And this software will automatically help you generate some random patterns, which are usually very pretty and professional. So if you want the next set of random designs, simply click on this button once more and it will automatically turn and display various random patterns. As you can see, some of them are rather attractive. For example, if I think it's really lovely, I could just save it and save it on my computer. So once you've finished designing your emojis and downloaded them to your phone or computer, I want you to return to Flaticon Contributor, log into your account, and click on this button that says My Icons. Now once you've clicked on Upload, you may drag and drop your file into this box, and it will be uploaded to this website. So as promised, I'm going to teach you a second extra method for making money online, which is to go to fiverr.com. Now that you've arrived at this website, you'll be able to search for various online job opportunities. As you can see, you can do graphical design, writing, video, and animation. There are numerous ways to make money online, but in this video, I want you to concentrate on graphic design. When I click on this button here, under the subcategory of art and illustration, I want you to look at this pattern design because it's a whole new category that other people are talking about, and this is your opportunity. We may generate money online without any competition by simply designing different designs using emojis. All you have to do is click on this link, which will take you to this page about pattern designs, where you can see how other sellers from all over the world are already making money by just designing and generating different designs. So since this is a completely new category with little competition, we can jump right in by following my strategy. So if this seller is selling for $25, have a look at the second seller, who is selling for $20 to $30. There are a lot of people charging different prices in these categories. So let's say we click on the seller right here and it takes us to this page. As you can see, she's charging anywhere from $50 to $35 for a service that involves making various pattern designs. Look at these examples of what we can achieve with the free Flaticon software by producing different patterns and making money in the same way over and over. And guess what? She's received 377 reviews from various buyers. So have a look at the seller's over 377 tasks that have already sold out. And notice how, for example, each project is roughly $20, and she has already earned about $7,000 on Fiverr. What she does by just producing different patterns, as you can see, is something you can do yourself using Flaticon's free software. This is actually very simple by simply placing the icon and altering the background color. And as you can see, there are a lot of individuals taking use of this right now. So by clicking on the link at the top, you may start generating money on Fiverr and become a seller. As you can see, becoming a seller will take you to this page. All you have to do now is click this button and start filling up your email address and personal information so you can start selling on Fiverr. You can offer similar services to this seller right here, and you can make a lot of money online by simply using free software to create different pattern designs with emojis. And that's it! If you love similar content like this, take a look at my other videos, and if you like it, please smash the like button and make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. If you have any further questions, feel free to comment down below. See you in the next video.